We are the Alvin family. So guys, I know I've been not on this channel for a while, but I made my mom this Happy Valentine's just now. So yeah, hopefully she likes it. Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah. That's your heart. Your heart. Hey fam, if you're looking for some Valentine's Day dinner ideas with kids this year, this video is for you. If you have no babysitter, especially this year, it's lockdown, can't dine outside. This is what we did last year for Valentine's Day, and most likely this is what we're gonna do this year as well. So that was our table setup that I did last year, and I also cooked steak, shrimp, and some veggies. So I'll show you how I did our dinner last year. It's quick and simple recipes. Here we go. So make sure your pan is nice and hot, and then I just put the steak, season it with salt and pepper, and then if you want it just medium, just cook it about 2 minutes in each side, and if you want it well done, I usually put about 4 minutes in each side. For the shrimp, we purchased the pre-packaged frozen cooked shrimp, and I just added some garlic, salt and pepper, and some scallions, and then just bake it in the oven until the butter is melted, since the shrimp is already cooked. So usually about, I say, 10 minutes to 15 minutes at 350 in the oven. So I just sauteed some mushroom and then boiled the potato and broccoli, added salt and pepper, and then optional, you could put butter after you steam or boil the veggies. So there you go guys, that's how I did our Valentine's Day last year. So hope you guys try the recipes and enjoy it. Very simple, very easy, doesn't take much to do it. So just a home cooked meal with love from mom. So I hope you guys have and enjoy your Valentine's Day this year. Thanks for watching guys.